We've actually got a Google shareholder with us here. Bruce McCain is Chief Investment Strategist at Key Private Bank. He oversees $25 billion in assets there. Bruce, welcome to Close. Thanks for joining us. Let me ask first your thoughts on the miss here on the EPS side, but the beat on the revenue side. Which is more important?
Well, I think longer term, you need to have a company that can grow its revenues. Obviously, it's a question of whether or not they're investing wisely and where they're putting their money as far as the expenditures. Our analyst thinks that they have some good platforms for growth, and if that can produce into the future, the stock will do well. Time will tell, but at this point, we're inclined to say you're getting a good company at a pretty decent price, and we believe that they have a good future.
Bruce, we just talked with Joe Lakramowicz. He wants to hear Larry Page out front and center on that analyst call this afternoon. Do you also, and what do you want to hear from Larry Page?
I'm not sure that we're quite as focused on what he can say. We're interested more in what the production will be longer term. But I think that we need to hear something that would suggest that they're investing the money well and not simply throwing it at what they think might be good growth targets. So you'd like to hear as much as possible to convince you that they have a well-defined strategy, that they're disciplined in executing that well.
Bruce, as far as the general markets here, we hear you've got your finger on a trigger ready to do what you need to in case you think the markets will go down and correct. Why is that?
Well, we're getting late enough in the cycle that you've got to be careful, and it's been an anemic cycle throughout. You get into the most trouble when the economy and the markets both turn down. To this point, they've both been improving in recent weeks and months. We think that this could be simply a consolidation, but the market's struggling here, and that's usually one of the first indications that you're running into trouble. Economists are revising estimates down on first quarter growth, and we need to see that. We need to see better progress in some of the economic statistics, I think, to get investors enthusiastic.
Bruce, we got to go. Thanks very much.